everyone, it's Heidi with WTI. And how very cute is this Homedics PerfectSTEAM 2-in-1 garment steamer and iron. This carrying case protects the iron so nicely and keeps it neat and organized, even the cord. The reason I bought it was for my craft room, because the iron base is nice and small and I can use it for my flower foaming projects. I just heat up my flowers on the iron base and then manipulate them so they get these nice detailed edges. Of course, I also use it for its traditional purpose, and it does an excellent job taking away wrinkles, and even on a stubborn denim material. You easily fill the steam area with water and you're good to go. This Homedics PerfectSTEAM 2-in-1 garment steamer and iron has worked so well for me in both the craft room and in the laundry room. And that's my point of view.